We've independently tested 7 products to destruction in both vertical and lateral planes on 2 different test rigs due to size constraints. These tests allow us to simulate a static load and a dynamic load. We are testing ACO StormBrixx HD, ACO StormBrixx SD, Graf Eco Block, Brentwood Storm Tank, Oldcastle Kudo, Eco Rain Tank, and ACF R Tank HD. We see the failure mode of the StormBrixx HD system at a maximum load of 86,784 pounds. We see the lateral failure mode of the StormBrixx HD system with a maximum load of 16,424 pounds. We see the failure mode of the StormBrixx SD system with a maximum load of 72,291 pounds. We see the lateral failure mode of the StormBrixx SD system with a maximum load of 28,489 pounds. We see the failure mode of the Graf Eco Block system at a maximum load of 59,728 pounds. We see the lateral failure mode of the Graf Eco Block system with a maximum load of 5,514 pounds. We see the failure mode of the Storm Tank system with a maximum load of 48,503 pounds. We see the lateral failure mode of the Brentwood Storm Tank system at a maximum load of 14,545 pounds. We see the failure mode of the Kudo Cube system with a maximum load of 19,915 pounds. We see the lateral failure mode of the Kudo Cube system with a maximum load of 2,956 pounds. We see the failure mode of the Eco Rain Tank system with a maximum load of 7,469 pounds. We see a lateral failure mode of the Eco Rain system with a maximum load of 5,747 pounds. We see the failure mode of the R-Tank system with a maximum load of 12,750 pounds. We see the lateral failure mode of the R-Tank system with a maximum load of 14,014 pounds. ACO StormBrixx systems outperform all others in both vertical and lateral testing. We hope you keep these results in mind when specifying your next geocellular stormwater storage system. For more information on testing of geocellular systems, contact us at acostormbrixx.us.